हेलो स्टूडेंट। तो अब प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ चार्ज को डिस्कस करने के बाद मैं आपके लिए कुछ क्वेश्चंस लेता हूं जिसमें आप उन प्रॉपर्टीज को इम्प्लीमेंट करिएगा। तो क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नेट चार्ज कैन नॉट बी फाउंड ऑन अ बॉडी। मीन्स एक बॉडी दे रखी है और आप उसको चार्ज कर रहे हो बाय रिमूविंग द इलेक्ट्रॉन और एडिंग द इलेक्ट्रॉन। तो आपको बोला गया है कि इसमें से कौन सा नंबर फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड पॉसिबल नहीं है कि ये चार्ज बॉडी एक्वायर कर सकती है। तो अगर मैं इस पूरी स्क्रीन को तीन पार्ट में डिवाइड करूं, बिकॉज हमारे पास तीन वैल्यूज गिवन है। तो फर्स्ट, हमें मालूम है क्वांटाइजेशन कहता है कि क्यू चार्ज जो भी बॉडी एक्वायर करेगा विल बी ऑलवेज इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस एन ई। तो हमें यहाँ पे सिर्फ ये चेक करना है कौन सा नहीं है, इसलिए हम पोलैरिटी को ज़्यादा यहाँ पे कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे। बिकॉज हमें जस्ट क्रॉस चेक करना है, हमें ये नहीं पूछा पॉजिटिव चार्ज नेगेटिव चार्ज, राइट। अगर हमको क्वेश्चन में दे रखा है पॉजिटिव चार्ज तो पॉजिटिव चार्ज के साथ ही चलेंगे, राइट। तो फर्स्ट Q1 इज 6.4 इंटू 10⁻⁻17 कूलम। इट मीन्स 6.4 into 10 raised to power minus 17 upon 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19, which comes out to be 400. So this number is a integer. It means this charge is possible on the body. It means first is correct. If I go for second case, Q2 is equal to 11.2 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. So if we do the analysis Q2 upon E, because of quantization property of charge, we will get 11.2 into 10 minus 19 upon 1.6 into 10 minus 19. It will be somewhere else near 7, which is again the integer. It means this charge can be also found on the body, means both Q1 and Q2 are feasible. Now for Q3 is given 3.9 into 10 raised to power minus 18 coulomb. Applying the quantization of charge property, Q3 upon E, 3.9 into 10 minus 18 coulomb upon 1.6 into 10 minus 19 is equal to 24.4, right. It means this is an integer. 24.4 number of electron cannot be transferred. Okay, it means this charge is the wrong, because according to quantization the charge transferred means the number of electron transferred should be always multiple integer of fundamental or quantum elementary charge, electronic charge E. But the third statement is not satisfying the condition. It means wrong. Second question is, if a body gives 10 raised to power 13 electron every second, how much time is required to get a total charge of 5.76 coulomb from it? So according to given statement, number of electron given out per second is equal to 10 raised to power 13. It means if electrons are getting out from some body, the charge is transferred from the body to some other system, means the neutral state of the body itself. Suppose this body is neutral, and if we are taking electron out, electrons are taken away at this rate, it means this body is becoming charged. So how much time is required to get a total charge of 5.76 coulomb from it? Number of electrons given out per second is 10 raised to power 13. Then what is the charge? Charge given out per second, that should be equal to 10 raised to power 13 according to quantization into elementary charge 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19. It comes around somewhere 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 6 coulomb per second. Per second this much amount of charge is transferred, and the examiner is asking how much time is required to get a total charge of this one. This amount of charge transferring के लिए कितना टाइम लगेगा? तो सिंपली अप्लाइंग द मैथमेटिक्स, टाइम रिक्वायर्ड time required will be equal to the total amount of charge 5.76 divided by charge given out per second, which is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 6. It means it will become somewhere 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 सेकेंड. और अगर हम इसको डेज में कन्वर्ट करें, इट टर्न्स आउट टू बी 41.66 days. It means it will take 41.66 days. The next question is, one metallic sphere A is given positive charge whereas another identical metallic sphere B of exactly same mass as that of A is given equal amount of negative charge. Means we are having a one metallic sphere A positively charged and B negatively charged, right? Initially they were have the same mass, initial mass m2, initial mass m1. Positive number and negative number, equal amount of positive charge is given, equal amount of negative charge is given. Means x electron ejected and x electron added. I already told, when we have some charge transfer, mass of the object or body also get disturbed. If we are taking electron out of this A, means its mass decreases because some of its constituent fundamental particles are leaving the body. And if we talk about B, extra particle, very fundamental particle are added to the body, means its mass increases by x into 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kilogram. So now option A, mass of A and mass of B still remain equal. No, not possible. I already told you, when we charge some neutral body, mass get disturbed. Mass of A increases. No, because A is positively charged. Positively charged means deficiency of electron. Deficiency means we are removing some of its constitution and the mass is decreasing. C, mass of B decreasing. No, because B is negatively charged, means excess of electron, x amount of electrons are added, means some more mass is added. It means your D is the right answer. This D is right answer.